He says he's the fish whisperer out here.
I talk to them and they bite. Hey, 5 minutes from now, I'll tell James, hey, check your pole and watch it be a fish on it.
Sauce it up, boy. I'm going fishing today with my friend from work. He likes to go fishing, boy. So I'm going to go fishing today, boy. So right now I'm just fixing me some little fries. Some little rally fries and some French toast sticks and shit. It's gonna be good. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. And then we're gonna do that. I'm getting everything ready. Then I'm gonna be out. And stay tuned if y'all click this video. This is AyeBub and this is the Saucy Gang. And one more thing, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'm on my way right now. I got my little fishing pole in here, so I got my little tackle box. I'll let y'all know. I'll let y'all see when I get there. I just put some more gas in my car because I don't like going out far, like out in the what I call boonies or whatever y'all want to call it, out towards fishing, anything of that nature with no gas or getting close to whatever, because I don't know if there's a gas station out there or not, but I know there's some more out there, but you never know. And I got me some cash to put in my wallet because you never know either. And I bought some little I bought some worms. I bought some little worms and a bobble. I don't know if they still use them nowadays. And some more of these. I don't know if they're the right ones. They're gonna make fun of me because obviously, you know, I'm not with the fishing life. But oh well, at least we got something. I ain't gonna show up with no bait or nothing. I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna drive it in there. I'll let y'all see when I get there. Peace. I done made it. Got my boy Leo with me. He got everything going on. I don't know nothing about nothing. Got my slippers on right now. So yeah, when we get back there, I'll show y'all what's up. Fishing life and yes sir. I got my little stuff. So we're gonna head on out. I ain't went fishing and I don't know how long. He talking away. We finna walk. We got a little walk here. I mean, my arms, my feet. We're gonna get us a little workout. We're gonna get some outdoors going on out here. Got me some worms and everything. Yeah. Well, when we get done with this walk, I'll get back at you. That's who we meeting up with down there. My homie Chris, one of his buddies. So, go down here to fish. So, I'll let y'all know. Golly, it ain't that far of a walk, but it's a walk. See, this is what I ain't trying to do to go fishing. Cut through the weeds and shit. Man. He's trying to cut through the weeds. Where you going? Dang. Hold on, I'm finna follow your little... Oh! Bro, if I run into a snake or something, bro, I'm gonna lose it. Oh, I got stuck. Bro, I should have washed some pants, man. Man. This can't... I should have thought about this. I knew I should have put on some pants, but I was like, it's gonna be hot.
That's all it is out here. We good.
We had to go all the way around, cut through some. I got something in my shoe. We had to walk all the way around back here to get over here. I guess that bridge is flooded. We almost down here. Hopefully we can get a big one on here for y'all. I probably won't catch it. Maybe one of them might will. I don't know nothing. I don't have a clue. I'm probably gonna sit down because I'm tired from walking. We got a couple poles over here. We finally made it through the rough terrains. They got poles everywhere at this mug. Yeah, we don't catch no fish today. I don't know what's going down. Yeah.
That's always getting up on that day, wasn't it?
Yes.
This big ass wall comes down and parks right in front of me.
Hey.
Just park. And I finally took a stick and got it to pull it in and pulled it up on the bank, and that's still where it's at. I told you it was a fucking whole tree, bro, didn't it? Yeah, we got firewood, man.
I'm hot. I'm hot, man. I don't know about no firewood. It's hot. Uh-oh, he might get one. I don't know. I'm hot. I'm just gonna take a breeze. I gotta get this shit out of my shoes. I ain't gonna lie. I'm just out here watching for real. I might cast my pole. So, we might get us a fish here. Oh, I ain't going out. Yeah, I'll cut the line and let it go.
Where'd y'all catch all them at the other day?
I was right there.
Over in the swimming area?
I only caught one right here. The rest of them were down there. I saw the whole line right there at the end of that motherfucking tree. Right out here in front of the where I was. Those are the ones more likely to eat a live fish. Live bait.
Have you ever seen a flathead?
Nah, bruh. This is chilling. Yeah, what kind of fish is in?
This is a threadfin shad. And they call them that
Oh, fucking ready, dog.
because of that right there. That little threadfin.
Yeah.
It's hard to see.
What happened last
Yeah, I see
time?
what you're talking about.
Right there.
Yeah.
But they look just like a gizzard shad.
I'm just out here learning.
Already.
Fishy, fishy.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, he caught some more.
That's bait right there.
Money.
Oh, watch out, Steve.
He said he's the fish whisperer out here.
I talk to them and they bite. Hey, 5 minutes from now, I tell James, hey, check your pole and watch it be a fish on it.
They ought to go to biting. Somebody said you get one, and I didn't pole bit no
No, I see the YouTube video.
K&S.
Yeah.
Country nigga shit. We here.
live well.
Gotta ask about it.
Hopefully I can get this one out without messing my stuff up, boy. Right through his head, boy. What y'all use the head part? Yeah.
Dog, I swear, when we was talking about it earlier, I was gonna say, watch me catch one on this motherfucker.
Bro, it's a pretty good fish.
Is it?
Heck yeah.
Look like it.
Are you live action?
No.
You're not filming?
I'm filming, but it ain't live though.
He's YouTubing.
Oh no, don't say that.
No, that wasn't no tree doing that.
Is he pulling?
No, he's home. He's on there though. He's done got hooked.
I think he's in a hole down there.
He done got on something.
Hey,
He'll come out.
come over here.
I think he got off.
For real?
Nah, he's hooked. I don't know. He dragged let's say loose as hell.
But I mean, I felt him pulling though.
Yeah, come over here and see if we can't pull that motherfucker. Get out on that concrete thing right there. See if you can't. Don't get on that wet part of that log. It'll be slick as fuck. I'd come out here on this concrete and see if you can't goddamn pull him down the bluff or
I
something.
don't feel him though.
Not nothing.
Not like that one day that I got hung and I could still feel him pulling. I don't think he's on
Just open the bail, give him slack, see if it.
that. Is there a
see if
log
it
out
don't move.
there?
Huh?
Is there a log?
There's a ledge.
There's a ledge, man.
If you throw too far, if you throw far enough out there,
This is my old tackle box from probably 15, 20 plus years ago. I think I'm gonna try fishing a little bit. They gonna help me get my pole together, cause I don't know what I'm doing.
You gotta start somewhere.
Yeah, they gonna help me get my pole together. He gonna help me out. Wes, what is it, Wes or Wesley? Yeah, so he gonna help me get my pole together, and yeah, I'm gonna see what I can do. He helping me get my shit together. The tutorial, ain't no tutorial. You just gotta watch and see.
ain't nothing to it.
Take time is money, but money won't mean no thing. These motherfucking fish can't get live, so we got the whole thing.
Show me how to get my pole after he cast it out there. He got one. I'll sit down here and watch it for the most part. I know when some pole take out.
Shouldn't nothing, because I got the reel in behind the fork,
Yeah.
and it's in there pretty fucking firm. It would take a good fish to get it, but don't think that that's really
Yeah.
The biggest one I caught weighed about 60.
Dang. He says he got one down here. Let's see.
Oh, right there on the fucking buoy. Oh no, you're gonna have to swim.
Going fishing will definitely teach you patience, because you gotta be patient. Can't be out here thinking you're gonna catch one in the first 5 minutes. You gotta be patient. So this is a great life lesson too. Give you time to stare out, chill, and just kick back and get away from everything. I like it. Being patient, waiting on these fish, and having hope that we catch a big one before I leave. Threw a net for the first time. Got one little fish down in there. Hey, caught that in the fish net.
Cut bait.
There you go. Second time throwing with the help of my man. Oh, I caught that in the fish net. Look at the little duckies down there. I've been throwing this cast net. I've been seeing a big old fish. About like right in here. Jump out. It's crazy. It's pretty fun. I mean, even though we ain't really catching no fish right now, but it's fun to do. Don't knock it until you try it. I'll definitely be doing this again. For sure. Yes, sir. Look what I just got. Yes, sir.
Yeah, it is.
Look.
Oh, Lordy.
I done had enough fishing for the day. Got my stuff. It done got hot. I got too thirsty, hungry. They gonna stay a little longer. I had enough, but it was fun. Nice little experience. You know. Yeah. So yeah, make sure y'all hit that like button. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. And stay tuned for some more content. Cause I'm gonna keep this content going, whether it's a vlog, anything. You know, I caught 2 bass in the little fish net. So I think I did pretty good for today. I'll holler at y'all. If they don't love you, I do. And we out.